the like button if you want to drive a Lamborghini at least once in your life. Who told these officers to drift in a Jeep? Instead of catching the culprit, the police driver hits a stationary car. Despite all the effort from the police, he still managed to escape. High-speed police car chase ends in a crash.
In the fast lane of the northbound 5 freeway, and and he's still trying to get away.
With all this pitting failing to bring the chase to a halt, the cops now decide to try out some freestyle moves on the suspect. Freestyling.
That is not like any pit maneuver I've ever seen.
And their initiative seems to work.
They were ramming this car. Very dangerous.
Mustang driver crashing the cops from the hood. Lamborghini rocked, police shocked. Police car T-bones another car. Cops on their quick feet, car jump from the speed breaker.
Holy crap!
Police car running a red light. One of the slowest car chases ever. The police car gets impatient and gets T-boned. A police car running a red light and almost got hit. Whoa! The no brakes land cop mobile lands into trouble. This police car ran a red light and faced the consequences. Oops, this police car will need a new side view mirror. Chase, fly, and catch them all. These police officers won't catch them in that Jeep. Cop crashed into a car to stop the chase. Car crash, police car crash and hurry.
Oh!
High-speed chase ended up police mobile crashing into a car. Police crashed into car to stop the chase. A guy crashed into police mobile. What a bizarre way to crash. That cop car certainly ran a red light. Fellow cop crashed into a police mobile door. Gastonia, North Carolina woman drives in circles and crashes police car. Cop nearly crashed while catching the culprit on bike.
Right
Police car got into accident while overtaking. Apparently, this police driver was in a rush.
If you want to win an iPhone 11, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications to be entered in the giveaway. Then just simply comment saying that you did.
Cops smashing a car to stop the chase.
Right now, here it goes. And that is going to do it. They're going to push him down the street a little bit. And the car is going to roll to a stop. The door's opening. And the driver coming out with his hands. He lays immediately down. The car is going to drift right into the...
Police cars can't drift definitely. The police driver should have looked towards his right. Only if the police driver applied the brakes at the right time. Apparently, the police can only chase you in cars.
Без маски и за ним копы. Чуть кот не перевернулся.
The police rammed the cars together to put an end to the chase.
Oh my god! Holy
When the police car causes a big crash. Police drivers negligent driving.
Oh shit!
The police driver forgets to hit the brakes. Police fight their own car.
Pull him back.
That's one of your boys. Oh.
The police car crashes into a stationary car. Police car T-bones another car. And the cops tell people to drive safe. Ironic. Police in the pursuit of two Audi R8s. Audi RS6 in a police chase.
Don't wreck our car too much.
Supercars chased by the cops.
Go get in the car. Go get in the car. Hurry up, run. Go.
The police department needs better cars if they can't catch a McLaren. This guy gave the police a run for their money, or should I say truck. Luck wasn't on the side of the law in this chase.
Holy moly.
Where is the police when you need them?